Childhood, I was a very, being the younger child in the house, I was a brat. मतलब सबसे मस्ती करने वाली मैं ही थी और मतलब बड़ी बहन भी मस्ती करती थी पर पूरा ब्लेम मुझ पे आता था हर चीज़ का. बट या चाइल्डहुड इज समथिंग दैट नोबडी नेवर फॉरगेट्स, यू नो. दोज आर द बेस्ट डेज ऑफ वंस लाइफ एंड आई थिंक मेरा बचपन जो था वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक्टिव था, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मस्ती से भरपूर था. बहुत डैमेज कॉज किया है मैंने मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स को बचपन में. एंड अगेन दैट इज समथिंग दैट, यू नो, दैट इज द रीज़न दैट आई नेवर फॉरगेट. I was very good at studies, but the only problem was that I never liked to study. और मेरी बहन हालांकि पढ़ाई में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी थी और मार्क्स भी बहुत अच्छे लाती थी, तो कंपैरिजन होता था कि बड़ी बहन इतना अच्छा पढ़ लेती है, तुमको पढ़ाई करने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है. पर नहीं, मुझे मतलब बेसिकली मैं एक लड़का थी बचपन में. I've always had this attitude to myself, the tomboyish attitude. Till date I have that in me. I was always interested in the extracurricular activities rather than studying. मैंने डांसिंग भी बहुत किया है, मैं स्पोर्ट्स में भी बहुत अच्छी थी, इंटर स्कूल कॉम्पिटिशन्स में बहुत मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. And I guess that is where my dancing comes from. Like, I was never a professional trained dancer, but I got better eventually, you know, while being in the field and doing it. Now the thing is that my entire childhood was in Ville Parla, but my dad used to work in Dombivli, so it's like quite a hectic travel every day for my dad to travel from Ville Parla to Dombivli, like from western to central side. So eventually my dad decided that let's just shift there, so we all shifted to Dombivli, and I shifted when I was in 4th standard, I guess. So half of my schooling is done there till 10th, and 10th वेलेगिरी चल रही थी एग्ज़ाम्स के बाद, और तभी हमारे मतलब वो जो एरिया था वहाँ पे मिस डोम्बिवली कॉन्टेस्ट हो रहा था. सो ऐसे ही मतलब करना क्या है, सो मी एंड माई सिस्टर बोथ पार्टिसिपेट फॉर दैट, एंड फॉर्चुनेटली आई वन मिस फोटोजेनिक अवार्ड. And the choreographer of our show had some people in the film industry who knew some of them, और तभी उनका coordination का बहुत होता था, like people whom they call for crowd. So after my show, the show choreographer got in touch with me and he said that anyways it's your 10th ka vacation, what if you want to earn a little money, you can do this, are you interested? And I said okay. Definitely asked my mom and dad for that, and mom is like हाँ ठीक है, vacation ही चल रहा है, तुमको करना है कर लो. So it was me and my sister both who went for that shoot, you know, as a crowd. But this is one thing that I've never mentioned, but I will say कि मेरे shooting के starting के 4 या 5 साल तक मेरे mom dad मुझे accompany करते थे, मैं कभी अकेले नहीं गई थी. My dad and mom, both of them came for all my shoots for the first 5 years. I was one of the crowd members for like almost 3-4 shoots. 5th shoot, we were shooting in a place called NSC in Bombay, and it was raining. It was like pouring so badly that some of the dancers did not make it for the shoot. So the choreographer, definitely, the dancers are definitely more important than the crowd, because then they have numbers and they have placings and all that. So the choreographer got in touch with our coordinator saying that if some of your girls, can you please lend me for today, because my girls could not make it because of the train strike and the train was not moving forward as usual, what our Bombay floods go through. So our coordinator came to us, and apparently he knew this hint, like he had this hint that okay, I know a little bit of dancing, although I wasn't a professional dancer, but काम चलाने के हिसाब से ठीक है, एक दिन मैनेज कर लेती है. So that's how Ganesh Acharya spotted me, and that's like I was shot with him for that one day, and he asked his assistant then to take down my number, and that's how they got in touch with me, and that's how the entire dancing thing started. See, I think every stage in my life has been a turning point to where I am today. Getting the award of Miss Photogenic, to being one of the crowd members, to a dancer, to an assistant choreographer, to a model, to an actor. So it's the conditioning that has been happened to me staying within the industry. मैंने हाँ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं किया, मैंने कन्नड़ा फिल्म्स की है 4 और एक तमिल फिल्म की है. बट जैसे मेरा स्टार्ट हुआ था choreography to tha, but again, like, I wasn't so sure about my career. I love dancing, but the problem with me is that I cannot conceive dance, right? So when it comes to putting mental work to dancing, I completely blank out. I don't understand anything. तो अभी करना है तो क्या करे, पर अगर मुझे करियर कुछ फॉलो करना ही होता या मुझे अगर सीरियस होना ही होता कोई करियर को लेके, but the problem was because I had devoted so many years to this industry, to this field. Changing my field would have been a problem because then again I would have started from zero to reach somewhere. तो मेरे और उतने 5-6 साल उसके अंदर मुझे डालने पड़ते to understand another field. I was in this field, so I thought that I'll rather go ahead being in the industry and doing something else. Choreographer was something that I never wanted to be. तो बचा क्या, so then I started a little bit of modeling. Like मैंने portfolio as usual portfolio जो करवाते हैं पहले वो करवाया, then some of the catalog people, the print people saw my pictures and I started doing a lot of catalog shoots, वो जो साड़ी और सलवार कमीज़ के shoots होते हैं वो किया मैंने. And और सारी शूट्स जो होती है ना बेसिकली वो साउथ की सारीज जो ब्रांड्स होती है उसकी शूट ज़्यादा होती है, इधर सूरत और साउथ Chennai. So Harsha, the choreographer, he is one of the biggest choreographers in Kannada, in Sandalwood. He apparently saw my pictures somewhere and he got in touch with me saying that because also he is a choreographer and he knew that I was from the dancing field and all that. That's how he got in touch with me and he said that I saw your pictures somewhere and I'm really keen to cast you in one of my movies. So are you okay to give an audition? Which I agreed to. So I went there, I did my audition. Although, yes, definitely the language was completely alien to me. I could not understand anything. But auditions ऐसे ही होते हैं, मतलब चेन्नई के, मतलब साउथ के जो obviously आपको लैंग्वेज नहीं पता है, आपको पता नहीं आप क्या बोल रहे हो क्या नहीं करके, तो लकीली मैंने पास कर लिया वो चीज़ को. एंड बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली जो मूवी के लिए मैं ऑडिशन हुई थी वो मूवी मेरी हुई नहीं क्योंकि वो डिले होते गई बिकॉज दर्शन अपेरेंटली इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट स्टार्स देयर और उनकी डेट्स का बहुत प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था. सो आई ऑलरेडी गिव आई वेटेड फॉर लाइक 5 months एंड बाय देन आई गॉट भद्रा from Kannada industry. So I signed that. Bhadra did really well. It became Silver Jubilee hit and since then it's the acting which has been my priority now.